In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Podia Favicon, how to add a favicon to Podia website. A favicon is the tiny square image that appears in your browser tab, bookmarks, and on mobile home screens. Adding one helps people recognize your brand at a glance and gives your site a polished feel. Here's how to put yours in place on Podia quickly and correctly. Start by signing into your Podia account and heading to your dashboard. From there, open the website area. This takes you into the section where you manage how your site looks and behaves. Next, choose Edit Site. That opens the visual site editor so you can work directly with your site structure and settings. At the top left of the editor, you'll see the page navigation menu. The label here changes based on the page you're currently viewing. Click that menu to reveal the full list of pages and, most importantly, the site level options. In the left-hand panel, scroll through your list of pages until you reach Site Settings at the bottom. If you have a lot of pages, just keep scrolling. The settings lie beneath the page list. Inside Site Settings, look for the field labeled Site Icon. This is where you'll upload your favicon. For best results, prepare a simple, high-contrast square graphic that's easy to recognize at very small sizes. Podia recommends 300 by 300 pixels. Use PNG or Xicon format and keep the file size under 100 kilobytes. If your image is larger, export it at 300 by 300 or compress it in any image tool before uploading. A transparent background, PNG, often looks sharp across different browser themes. Upload the file and Podia will attach it to your site. You should see it appear in the preview and in your browser tab. If it doesn't update immediately, refresh the editor or open a new tab. Browsers sometimes cache the old icon for a short time. That's all there is to it. You've added a professional site icon that strengthens your brand and makes your pages easier to spot among open tabs and bookmarks. As a quick checklist before you wrap up, confirm the image is square, the edges aren't cropped, and the design remains legible at small sizes. Consider testing a light and dark version to see which is clearer against different browser themes. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, you're now ready to add a clean on-brand favicon to your Podia website with confidence.